everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is PP Binky. In this video, I am going to share PP Binky pre-sale and discuss how to buy and further detail about this project. So guys, let's start our video. PP Binky, the newborn AVM layer 2 machine. PP Binky enter the new world order with Binky, where the unstoppable force of means meet their home in low cost lightning fast layer 2 EVM protocol enabled by PP Binky chain. And next we can go to this project official white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this PP Binky white paper PDF open. You can check here PP Binky BQ white paper. You can scroll down, check here the legend of PP Binky. Long ago in the ancient kingdom of crypto, the lands were ruled by the mighty PP, the OG conqueror of meat, breaker of rugs, and lord of the green candles. But his empire faced a great threat: gas fee, sauce, speed, legend, and normies field. You can scroll down and check here it. You can read carefully. Next, you can check here what is Binky. Binky is the native utility token of PP Binky ecosystem, a next gen layer 2 blockchain that blends meme culture, ultra low fees, security at warp speed, fast finality, quicker than alone tweets. You can check here, unlike other layer 2s, we don't just scale Ethereum, we out meme it. And next you can check here token info. You can check here contract address, decimals 18 to supply. You can check here chain, Ethereum network, ERC20. And next you can go to this project tokenomics, total tokens. You can check here, you can see this pre-sale amount, chain reserve, stacking and rewards, marketing, liquidity, CX reserve. You can check here, and next you can see this 10% liquidity. Keeping its juicy, this portion is allocated to ensure smooth trading and deep liquidity on crypto exchange. No rug pull, just meme pulls of value. 26.5% pre-sale. The bigger slice of the pie goes to early believers. You saw Binky before he got famous. Now you are riding with him to the moon. 30% chain reserve. Big beautiful chain requires big beautiful reserves to function. 10% DEX allocation reserved for decentralized exchange listing and market making. You can check here. 10% marketing means don't go viral on their own, but this one has got a team, a budget, and a strategic plan to flood the internet with Binky greatness. You can check here. Next you can see 13.5% stacking and reward. This is not just a meme coin, it's one with a soul. A chunk goes to our demand hands. And next you can check here 0% tax. That's right, zero tax on buy and sale, because your baby frog should not get taxed for jumping around Daffy the way it was meant to be, clean, fast, and fun. You can read carefully. I'll tell you can see this PP Binky roadmap. You can scroll down and check here. Number 1, pregnancy. Cooking in the crypto warm. Muma PP got a baby on the way. Launch pre-sale incoming. Big name partnerships. Community hype is equal to max wise when birth. You can check here. Number 2, birth. It's a baby and he's moon ready, listed on top exchange and Uniswap. 1 billion MCAP or burst, massive marketing blitz. Becky go better. You can check here. Number 3, growth. From baby meme to blockchain beast, ultra fast, secure, cheap, layer 2 EVM, pure, different. PP Binky becomes the king. Hits top 100 CMC. All hail the Binky chain. You can check here all is the roadmap about this project PP Binky. You can check here facts. You can see this all facts. You can check here all questions and answer. You can see this. You can check here conclusion. Binky is not just hopping into the crypto scene. He's kicking down the door with dank memes, zero taxes, and a lightning fast layer 2. You can check here. You can see this disclaimer detail. Please be informed that PP Binky is not an investment product. It is a meme coin that was made for fun and entertainment purpose. There is always the chance that you can lose all of your crypto assets, and the value of Binky can be quite volatile. You can read carefully detail. And next guys, we can go to the official website and see this further detail. Next guys, we can go to this project edit details. So guys, you can click here and see this PP Binky edit detail. You can check here, edit, and see this further detail about this project. And next guys, we discuss how to buy. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and collect Wallet wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet. So guys, you can connect any wallet. Then you can select network. You can select Ethereum or USD. So I select Ethereum. Then guys, you can enter your Ethereum amount. For example, I enter Ethereum amount 1000. Then you can receive the PP Binky. Now you can PP Binky token. Now you can check here. If you select USD, then you can click here and enter your USD amount. For example, I enter USD amount 20. Then you can see PP Binky token. Now you can check here, and next guys, you can scroll down and check here featured in. You can see this, and next we discuss about Binky. The next evolution of meme coins, PP Binky, is a layer 2 blockchain engineered for speed, security, ultra low fees, and powered by memes. At the heart of the ecosystem lies Binky, the utility token fueling every corner of the PP Binky network. You are still early, just in time to witness the rise of a new golden era for meme coins. You can check here all is about. You can read carefully, and next we discuss. You can see this how to buy. You can check here the step by step process. We are discuss how to buy. Now you can check here. You can see this. How to buy. You can see this. So guys, you can read the step by step process. Step 1, connect wallet. Use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You can select network selection, connect wallet. Step 2, choose token and amount. Select Ethereum, USD. Set your amount. Then you can improve transaction. Step 3, confirm wallet, receive token. So I discussed this how to buy. Now you can see this, and next guys, you can scroll down and check here. You can see this roadmap. We discussed this roadmap, our tokenomics. You can see this, we discussed this. You can check frequently asked question. What is PP Binky? How can I buy Binky? How can I contact the PP Binky team? How can I claim my token? You can see this, and next you can check here. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this PP Binky official Twitter page is open. You can follow here, you can scroll down, then you can see this all post. Welcome to participate in the official PP Binky airdrop. You can join the pre-sale now. You can check here all posts. You can like, comment, and retweet this post. You can join the airdrop now. And next we can go to the official website. And next we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click here and see this PP Binky offshore Telegram group chat community is open. 16,567 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can check here all social media link, official website link, white paper link. You can check your Twitter page link. You can see this, and next we go to the official website. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.